Adapting to the sharing economy in retail, opportunities and challenges. Title: Adapting to the sharing economy in retail, opportunities and challenges. Introduction. The emergence of the sharing economy has revolutionized various industries, including retail. With the rise of platforms such as Airbnb, Uber, and Etsy, the traditional retail landscape is rapidly evolving. In this article, we will explore the opportunities and challenges that retailers face in adapting to the sharing economy. Opportunities in the sharing economy. 1. Access to a wider customer base. One of the significant advantages for retailers in the sharing economy is the potential to tap into a broader customer base. Sharing platforms allow retailers to reach customers beyond their local area, making it easier to expand their market reach. 2. Cost efficiency. For small businesses and startups in retail, operating costs can be a significant hurdle. The sharing economy offers cost-efficient alternatives, such as shared spaces or online marketplaces, which can reduce overhead costs. By sharing resources and platforms, retailers can save money on rent, utilities, and inventory management. 3. Increased brand visibility. Joining a sharing platform opens the doors to a vast network of users who could become potential customers. This level of exposure can help retailers gain visibility and establish their brand in the market. Furthermore, positive reviews and user-generated content can enhance a retailer's reputation, contributing to long-term brand loyalty. 4. Collaborative marketing strategies. Collaboration is key in the sharing economy. Retailers can team up with complementary businesses, influencers, or even competitors to create marketing campaigns that benefit everyone involved. By pooling resources and expertise, retailers can increase exposure and attract a larger customer base. Challenges in the sharing economy. 1. Competition from new players. As more retailers embrace the sharing economy, the market becomes increasingly competitive. With low barriers to entry, new players can easily join the market and offer unique products or services. This heightened competition requires established retailers to continuously innovate and differentiate themselves to stay ahead. 2. Maintaining control over the customer experience. In the sharing economy, interactions between retailers and customers may occur through intermediaries or digital platforms. This can create a potential disconnect between retailers and their customers, making it challenging to maintain control over the entire customer experience. Retailers must find ways to adapt to these new customer touchpoints and ensure consistent and positive experiences. 3. Trust and quality assurance. Trust is critical in the sharing economy. Customers need to feel confident in the reliability, quality, and authenticity of the products or services they receive. Retailers must invest in building trust by providing accurate product descriptions, customer reviews, and transparent return policies. Additionally, retailers should focus on delivering high-quality products and excellent customer service to establish a credible reputation. 4. Regulatory uncertainties. The sharing economy operates in a regulatory gray area for many industries. Retailers must navigate evolving laws and regulations that may vary from jurisdiction to jurisdiction. Compliance with local regulations can be complex and costly, requiring retailers to stay informed and adapt to changing legal landscapes. Adapting to the sharing economy in retail. To successfully adapt to the sharing economy in retail, businesses must consider the following strategies. 1. Embrace digitization. Retailers need to establish a strong online presence and optimize their digital platforms to remain competitive in the sharing economy. This includes having a user-friendly website, leveraging social media for marketing, and adapting to mobile commerce trends. 2. Leverage data analytics. Harnessing the power of data analytics can provide insights into customer preferences, buying patterns, and market trends, enabling retailers to make informed decisions. Analyzing data can help retailers identify new opportunities, optimize product offerings, and personalize the customer experience. 3. Foster collaboration. Collaboration is a key element of the sharing economy. Retailers can explore partnerships with sharing platforms, complementary businesses, or other stakeholders. By pooling resources and knowledge, retailers can tap into new customer bases and create unique offerings. 4. Prioritize personalization and customer service. In a crowded marketplace, providing a personalized customer experience is crucial. Retailers should leverage customer data to tailor marketing messages, recommend relevant products, and personalize interactions. Excellent customer service remains a differentiating factor that can drive customer loyalty and positive reviews. As the retail industry continues to evolve, adapting to the sharing economy is essential for retailers to stay competitive and thrive in the changing landscape. The sharing economy offers numerous opportunities for retailers, including access to a wider customer base, cost efficiency, increased brand visibility, and collaborative marketing strategies. One significant advantage of the sharing economy for retailers is the potential to tap into a broader customer base. Through sharing platforms, retailers can reach customers beyond their local area, expanding their market reach and driving growth.